good morning, boys and girls, friends, enemies, those in between, and those who don't care. How the devil are you? Now, about 5 videos ago, I chunted on for a while about my wind deflector, screen, whatever you want to call it. Perspex humour flip. And I seem to remember the original being better. Now, I'm not going to pay 60, 70, whatever pounds to find out. But I saw one on Fleabay, a few quid, so I got it. It's a little bit crazed where it's been out in the sun too long, and a couple of little scratches. And I thought I would come out today and see if my memory serves me well. No. Totally wrong. It's not a bad screen. Not a bad screen at all. But now, not as good as the one I had on. That wasn't brilliant, and a little lot of wind noise through to the helmet. This one, if you sit a bit lower, is better. But there is a lot of upper shoulder and arm chilling going on. And you then open your visor above 30. Oh well. I just thought for a few quid it would be worth a try. Is it a lost cause? No, actually. I think in the heat of summer, I think it's going to be a brilliant screen. Because that's what we need, isn't it? To ride cool. And I think that is going to serve its purpose perfectly. In the winter, the other one will come back on. I have a fancy let's see what's happening. Trust me, you get stuck behind 2 crawlies. In the winter, I have a fancy for one of the bigger touring ones with the wings on. Let's see what that's like. Again, I'll have to troll Fleabay and see if I can find a used one. I'm not going to spend a massive amount on a visor to find it's the wrong one. Now, had I spent anything up to 70 odd quid for one of these, and that would have probably been a replica, I would be most disappointed. But I got it at a throwaway cost, so I'm happy. Well, am I ever happy? Yeah, I'm in my own little world. I'm a happy bunny. if you can get tucked in behind it, it's not too bad. But definitely not the one for me. And nothing like I remembered. But then, is anything ever like you remembered? I don't think it is. I'm on this for a few miles. I'll start talking again when we're out of the wind, or the worst of the wind. Wow, well, there's a little bit of a log jam on the old A12. Managed to get to a section where I cruised at the legal speed limit. My conclusions as it starts to rain. I think I'll wear this one out during the hot period of the summer, and for the winter I'll put that other one back on, unless in the meantime I can find the taller touring screen to try out. As I say, it would have to be a used item. It's a big old beast, isn't it? There you go. See? Remembering the past. What a load of poo it can be. Talking of poo. Oh, in the countryside, eh? Isn't it wonderful? Now, will that distort all my memories? No, because unless something that I see and feel that was from the past comes up and bites me, I won't have anything to gauge it against. Ooh, all a bit muddy around here, isn't it? I reckon that's where Mr. Farmer brought that big old truck out of. Some kind of harvester. I haven't been around this way for a while. Don't even remember it much. There's a canal here somewhere, I think. This may be the Wheat Bridge for the canal. Yeah, the old Chelmer navigation. I think this takes me back up towards Hatfield Peveril eventually. So as in the last video, I was trundling around Colchester, ruining the past. Should the past remain in our memory? I don't mean, you know, history and family and all that. I mean the little really good bits we remembered. I think they should. They should stay as good memories. Okay, no idea where I am now. Well, I recognise the road, but I couldn't tell you what's at the end of it till I get there. That's a nice old church. Perhaps the bike I rode, the bikes plural, that I rode, my beloved T120 Triumph Bonnie, was that as good? I must get to ride one now and see if, must find somebody who's got one. I'm sure amongst my friends they'll know somebody who's got one. I mean, I adored that bike. Whereas in its day it was coming to the end of the British motorcycle industry, but the 120 was still the dog's doodahs. Would it give me the riding pleasure that I can get now from a more modern, slightly bigger bike? Well, we'll go right here. I still don't recognise it. My battery died right in the middle of getting lost. Well, I wasn't lost, just not sure where I was. Conclusion, really, I'm going to keep this on for the summer because I think the wind through my air jacket, my aerated, you know, jacket full of bloody holes, and did wonder what he was doing. And visor open on a warm summer's day. I do wear glasses, by the way. It's going to be perfect. And then put the other one back on for winter unless I can find the touring screen. Memories are odd, aren't they, really? I'm just grateful that I didn't spend the 60-70 quid on a new old stock or whatever, but for a few quid this one will be perfect for the summer, and I shall keep looking on Fleabay for one of those really big touring ones for the winter. That's it. know my rules. Stay happy, be careful, smile at everybody. Bye.